Now let us talk about the kingdom of Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is a Hindu kingdom. During the Sultanate period, many attacks made by the Mughal rulers. Alauddin Khilji, the first ruler who attack launched on them, and he carried lot of wealth from there. It was very prosperous states of a south, and Malik Kafur destroyed the kingdom of Parangal. The condition of South India worsened during the time of Muhammad Tughlaq. Simultaneously, Hindu Empire of Vijayanagar and Bahmani Sultanate were established in South India. After the defeat of this, under the inspiration of Jadhav clan and two brothers, Harihara and Bukka, established the Vijayanagar kingdom in the south of Tungabhadra river in 1336 CE. Within a short period of 8 years, it was extended up to Kanyakumari. Bukka ascended the throne after the death of Harihara. His descendants being big and new dynasty came to the power. Krishnadev Raya was a powerful ruler of that dynasty, and he had a good relations with the European country. He was a lover of art and literature and constructed canals in the South India with the help of engineer called Yomke. Yomke's distribution was the first one to dig out a canal. Afterwards, many travelers visited and put a grand temples and forts in the kingdom. This was a glorious mark by the foreign travelers. Next one is Bahmani Sultanate in Deccan. Amir becomes the Sultan, founded Bahmani Sultanate. Out of this, one of the Amirs, Hassan was the powerful one. Muhammad Ghawan was a capable minister, and they continued the Bahmani Sultanate. He won many territories and extended the boundaries of the Bahmani kingdom. Power extended in the all boundaries, and after the death of him, others become weakened. There were frequent conflicts between Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms. After downfall, many provincials become independent, and among these, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Golconda, Berar and Bidar become established independent kingdom. After Firuz Shah Tughlaq ascended the throne, Muhammad Tughlaq, however, from that time onwards, Delhi Sultanate becomes weakened. The region of Tughlaq dynasty witnessed the inventions of the plunder of Delhi by Taimur. The governor of Lahore, Khirchistan, took advantage and chaos and established the Sayyid dynasty in Delhi. Authority of these sultans was limited in the region around the Delhi in 1451. Afghan Sardar Bahlol established the rule of the Lodi dynasty in Delhi, and Sir Sikandar Lodi ascended the throne after this. Though Sikandar has the qualities of a good leader, but a struggle for the throne began after his death, and Ibrahim Lodi defeated his elder brother and became the ruler of Delhi. Amirs were not happy because of his arrogant attitude. There were rebellion in the kingdom against the ruler. Babur, the emperor of Kabul, invaded the Delhi at that time, and he defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Panipat's battle in 1526 CE. Panipat's battle was a very important battle in the history, and Mughal Empire founded, which is continued approximately for 200 years. Friends, here we completed the lesson. Previous lesson and this lesson's PDF I will send you very soon. You can note down in the notebook. Thank you.